The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the Coolpad Legacy for Metro by T-Mobile. So this is a new phone for Metro by T-Mobile. This is a new phone. Obviously, this is a nice looking phone. Y'all can see right there. Nice looking phone. Pretty good specs for what it is. So let's check out the Coolpad Legacy channel. So it says here, get all the bells and whistles. It has dual rear-facing cameras, fingerprint sensor, and all that good stuff. So the Coolpad Legacy has a 6.36 inch Full HD Plus display. So a massive display on this phone. Has dual cameras on back, like I said, 16 megapixels and 5 on back, 32 gigabytes of RAM and 3 gigabytes of RAM. So that's the frame right there. The frame looks very nice, like I said. The phone does look nice. It's $179.99. But if you guys put your number with the Metro by T-Mobile and you guys get the $50 plan or higher, you guys get this phone for $29.99. So for $30, if you guys switch, it's a fucking win. So there's the front of the phone right there. You guys have the front-facing camera, your earpiece there. I do like the wallpaper. It's very nice wallpaper there. Very nice wallpaper. Very nice. So going on to the right side of the phone, you guys have power button right here and your volume button there on the right side of the phone. On the back of the Coolpad Legacy, you guys have dual cameras like I mentioned. There's your flash right there. Fingerprint sensor right here. Coolpad logo. It kind of has like this dent in the back of it, if you guys can kind of tell. I do like the silverish finish. It's probably a plastic bag, so nothing to really get excited about there. But the phone looks like nice overall. Okay. On the left side of the phone, you do have your SIM and SD card slot, so that is a one. On the top of the Coolpad Legacy, you guys have headphone jack, a win, and a noise cancellation microphone on top, and then on the bottom you guys have USB-C charging port with Quick Charge 3.0, dual speakers. I think it's a dual speakers, correct me if I'm wrong. I'm hoping they're dual speakers, I'm hoping they are. They got it because one of them, I think one of them might be a microphone and the other one might be a speaker. So I don't know if it's dual speakers on the bottom or not, I'm not sure. But if it's cool if it is. So it says here, the Coolpad Legacy features an immersive 6.36 inch Full HD Plus display and the latest Android 9.0 OS with display. Packed into an impressive premium design, stream videos and watch movies, take amazing photos to share with family and friends, and enjoy a long-lasting 4,000 mAh battery for an all-day powerful experience. So it has 4,000 mAh battery, which is a fucking win for this phone. This phone overall, it's a fucking win. Okay. This phone's a fucking win. Nice looking phone. This phone just looks fucking nice too. So it has a 6.36 inch display, Full HD Plus. That phone looks fucking big, but I'm sure it looks big as fucking person. 4,000 mAh battery and Quick Charge 3.0, which is a one premium design. So I said it probably looks like plastic. It probably has a premium design on it, so that's good. It's not bad for $30 if you switch. It has a dual cameras on back, 16 and 5 megapixels on back, 13 megapixel front facing camera, Android 9.5. So yeah, this phone is a win so far in terms of specs and stuff. Like I mentioned before, dual cameras on back, 16 and 5, take incredible photos in the native setting. 6.36 inch Full HD Plus display, immersive soft in photos and videos, 4,000 mAh battery, stay connected through busy days, expand every media experience, A spacious 6.36 inch display provides a captivating media experience, supporting the latest movie and TV formats with 18:9 Full HD. Okay, so it's a win there. Capture brilliant with intelligent cameras. Take incredible photos with the 16 megapixel and 5 megapixel rear facing and 13 megapixel front facing camera. The dual rear facing cameras provide natural depth bokeh shots and feature intelligent scene mode to optimize photo capture and ensure a great shot in any setting. Powerful performance all day long. With a 4,000 mAh battery, the Coolpad Legacy will last through busy days, keeping you connected wherever you are. Charge up to 4 times faster with conventional charging with Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 and USB-C. Here's a little video right here. I'm gonna try to play this thing, and yeah. See if it plays in that. I'm not even gonna bother playing the video, so if you guys want to check the video, it's right here. I think this phone also comes with MetroPlay. If you guys don't know what that is, it's basically get more from your new phone with MetroPlay. I really don't know much about it, but it's pretty interesting to me. Which is swipe right from the home screen, so basically it will swipe left, basically. And you guys will tap MetroPlay and enjoy. Basically, that's how to do it. This phone includes MetroPlay, an app offering created content from over 50 of today's most popular channels, all for free. Just swipe right from the home screen and tap the MetroPlay tab at the top. So that's pretty cool. It has 32 gigabytes of RAM with 21 gigabytes available to user, so not too bad, I guess. It's a 6.36 inch display, Full HD plus, 18:9. Dual cameras on back, 16 and 5, 13 megapixel front facing camera, 120 gigabyte micro SD card expansion, mobile hotspot, talk time up to 42.6 hours, Android 9.8 Pie, 1.8 gigahertz, 5-core Snapdragon 450 processor from Qualcomm. So not too bad. The frame weight is 5.99 ounces. So, and you guys have your accessories here. If you guys want to check them out. If you guys want to get accessories, y'all guys can go to Amazon, type in Coolpad Legacy. You guys can get accessories there. So there you guys have it. The Coolpad Legacy is now available at Metro by T-Mobile for $179.99 full retail price, or $29.99 if you switch to Metro by T-Mobile. The Coolpad Legacy is a very nice one. It's very nice. I do like the phone a lot. It's very nice. I don't have the phone personally, so I don't whatever. So I don't have the phone personally, but the phone looks very nice. It looks fucking nice as hell. It has pretty decent specs for what it is, and the phone looks fucking nice as hell. It looks nice, and yeah, for the price of paying for it, you really can't go wrong. So the Moto G7 Power now has competition now on Metro by T-Mobile. So yeah, if you guys don't want to pay a whole lot of money and you guys like Coolpad phones, check out the Coolpad Legacy. It's a nice looking phone. It's very nice. It looks very nice on pictures and so I'm sure it looks much nicer and bigger in person. So yeah, there you guys have it. Coolpad Legacy for Metro by T-Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.